WazirX Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to WazirX are in the description below. Let's get into the details. WazirX is one of the largest and most popular crypto exchanges in India, catering to both new and experienced crypto traders. The platform allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several altcoins. Its primary selling point is its user-friendly interface, which makes it an accessible option for beginners in the crypto space, while still offering advanced features for more experienced traders. One of the standout features of WazirX is its low trading fees. The platform uses its native token, WRX, to further reduce fees, making it a cost-effective choice for regular traders. Additionally, WazirX offers both spot and futures trading, allowing users to engage in more advanced strategies if they're comfortable doing so. The platform also supports staking, where users can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. WazirX's fiat-to-crypto gateway is particularly useful for Indian users, as it supports INR Indian rupee deposits and withdrawals, making it easy to move funds in and out of the platform. The integration with Binance also expands its offering, giving users access to a wide array of global cryptocurrencies and a higher liquidity pool. Security is another important aspect of WazirX, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and a dedicated insurance fund to protect users in the event of a security breach. However, some users have reported occasional delays in withdrawals, which is something to consider if you need fast access to your funds. Overall, WazirX is a solid platform for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies in India. With its wide selection of assets, low fees, and strong security features, it's a great choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. Check the description for more details and to get started.